taken our time to launch Ideoli to the world. This past summer, we hosted our official reveal show in the heart of New York in an upscale studio. Ideoli's dedicated team came together to design, fabricate, and install the optimal space where we could showcase who we are. We invited our friends from the retail, design, distribution, and specification community to come and experience our space. Our 4 business pillars were on display: furniture, fixtures, lighting, and showcase pieces, each with examples of products we have designed and developed on display. Being able to show our partners what we manufacture with actual samples on hand was truly beneficial. We hosted happy hours in our space and created an environment for our peers to network and drink in. There were also fun activities on hand, where our friends competed for prizes and bragging rights. We were able to introduce our board of advisors to our partners to engage in further discussions. The reveal show was a tremendous success, and Ideoli is looking to create a full-time studio where partners can stop by at any given time to see the latest projects we are working on. Thank you to everyone who came by, showed support, and engaged in our interactive space. Ideoli has officially been revealed. Onwards we go.